In celebration of our recent victory liberating the family court system to public and press scrutiny, the Clark County Family Court Support Group, which is now 5,000 members strong, wants to be the foundation of the first fundraiser to build a special fund that covers the expense of camera operations in family court cases. The McCallie Downs family has promised to match up to $5,000 in donations. The Nevada Bar Foundation separately is also matching up to $20,000 in camera operation expenses, which means that the first $5,000 will be tripled. In order to save everyone's time, I'm going to use a bunch of movie clips to explain what just happened. The first judge to let us record was Family Court Judge Tamitha Schreinar.
Before we go on the record, I wanted to let you know we have a media request from our Nevada Judges. Is a site that just essentially opens the courts to...
Other family court judges began following her courageous example, so Marshall Willick said,
Mr. Falcone is not only not permitted to broadcast that information, he's not allowed to be in the room to hear it.
The judiciary, following his lead, created a bunch of rules rendering domestic relations matters super secret. So the American Civil Liberties Union responded with,
Single call out! Single call out!
And sued them. The Las Vegas Review-Journal responded with,
Archers!
and also sued them. The Legal Aid Coalition, consisting of the Legal Aid Center of Southern Nevada, Northern Nevada Legal Aid, Nevada Legal Services, and Volunteer Attorneys for Rural Nevadans, responded with,
The beacons are lit! Gun knuckles for 8! And Rohan will answer. Muster the row, hear him!
Brittany and I then traveled to the Supreme Court where Luke Busby was organizing things like...
Is that everyone? What, you wanted more?
Avengers!
Assemble.
Marshall Willick made his infamous appearance and told the justices,
Mr. Falcone is not only not permitted to broadcast that information, he's not allowed to be in the room to hear it.
Finally, after waiting around for what felt like years, the Supreme Court agreed to open up family court. 3 dissenting justices cited some ecclesiastical precedent in trying to stop it, but the majority overpowered them, so we don't need to go into that. There are 4 ways that you can donate. You can click on the link in the post or description below. You can go to the Our Nevada Judges website and click on the Contribute tab. You can send an email to admin@ournevadajudges.com for a pledge invoice. Lastly, you can mail a check to the address provided in the post or description below. Finally, and most importantly, for anyone in Nevada, especially in the Clark County area, make sure to go and join the Clark County Family Court Support Group. It's a tremendously effective community.
Whatever comes out of these gates, we've got a better chance of survival if we work together. Do you understand? If we stay together, we survive.
People who are crazy enough to think that they can change the world are the ones who do.